Hi guys, it's me Jess here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make a maxi skirt for this season. This skirt has a gather fabric at the front but elastic waistband at the back. That's why it's not only look feminine but also super comfortable. So I hope you guys will like it and try it out, and let's get started. To make this skirt, I used 2 meters of soft cotton fabric in white color. Here are the pattern of the skirt that you need to cut. For the main part of the skirt, the simple and easy way is cutting a rectangle with the width of your waist size or 1.5 times your waist size, and the length of the rectangle will be the length of the skirt that you want. Don't forget to add 1 cm for seam allowance for the pattern before cutting. For the front waistband, it's a rectangle with the width of a half of your waist size plus 2 cm for seam allowance, and the length is 2 times the length of the waistband that you want, plus 2 cm for seam allowance. For the back waistband, it's the rectangle with the width at the same main part of the skirt, and the length is the same length with the front waistband. I also add 2 side pockets for this skirt for more functional. Now let's sew this skirt. I started with the main part of the skirt first. From one width line of the rectangle, I marked down on the length line at 8 cm, which is the position of the side pocket that I want. Then adding the pocket there later and sewing. Doing the same for the other piece of the skirt. After that, I connect 2 pieces of the skirt together at 2 length lines. From the top of the pocket, I marked down 13 cm, which is the width of the open part of the pocket where you can put your hand in. Then sew the rest together to create a dip for the side pocket. At the top of the skirt, I choose one rectangle to be the front part of the skirt first. Then I make 2 loose seams there later. After sewing, I create the gathering fabric by pulling 2 front threads while keeping the other one. Make sure the final width of the gathering fabric will be a half of your waist size. Moving to the waistband, I also cut a smaller rectangle for the lining of the front part before using the iron to connect the lining to the front waistband. I connect 2 parts of the waistband together at 2 side lines first. Then I connect one side of the waistband to the top back of the skirt. Make sure you connect the front waistband to the front part of the skirt and the back waistband to the back part of the skirt, then sewing. After that, I fold the other side of the back waistband inside 1 cm first, then keep folding it over the first seam around a half centimeter and sew in. Make sure your seam will be right at the first seam so you can hide the stitching. I cut an elastic band with 3.5 cm width, which is a bit smaller than the width of the waistband that I want, and 37 cm length, which is a half of my waist size plus 2 cm for seam allowance. I use a hair clip to put the elastic band through the fabric hole at the back of the waistband. Then I sew two ends of the elastic band to the connecting seam between the front and the back of the waistband. To finish the front of the waistband, I use the same way that I did at the back, which is folding the other side of the waistband inside 1 cm first, then keep folding it a bit over the first seam and sewing on top of the first seam. To finish the end of the skirt, I fold the end fabric inside 2 times with 1 cm each time and sewing. And I finished this DIY. Here's my final result. This skirt is so floating, but also have a family vibe with the gather fabric at the front. It will be perfect to make a mess this season. I hope you guys enjoy this DIY and try it out soon. See you in the next video.